How to enter into safe mode on your latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung devices. This is the Samsung S25 Ultra. By default, you can see hide the safe mode on your Samsung device. So if you want to activate safe mode, long press the side key to view the power menu. Now here you can see launch the Gemini. To view the power menu, swipe down notification panel at the top. Tap the power button icon to see the power menu. Now long press the power off on your device. Now you can see the option safe mode. Tap again to restart your phone in a safe mode. Download apps will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. So you can see the safe mode on your device. So tap on it to enter your Samsung S25 Ultra into safe mode. Now wait until your device restart and you can see your Samsung S25 Ultra running in the safe mode. You can apply this setting to all your latest Samsung device to enter or boot into safe mode on your Samsung device. When activate safe mode, it will disable all third-party application. You can only access the system default application. And safe mode is helpful to check if any third-party app is causing the problem or not on your device. Now here you can see the safe mode icon on your device. So unlock your phone. Now we unlock my device and you can find the safe mode icon at the bottom left corner on your device. And when you open the app drawer, you can see the safe mode is on message on your device also. Now you can only access the system default apps. You can't open the downloaded apps. Let's see example. We tap on the Instagram and you can see app is the disable option. So when safe mode is enabled, you can access only the system default application on your device. If your phone is running smooth without any issue in the safe mode, it means any third party application using the problem on your device, like your phone slow, phone facing or crashing issue on your device. So you can use safe mode to check if any third party application is using the problem on your device. If you want to exit the safe mode, just restart or power off your Samsung device to exit safe mode on your device. So again, swipe down the notification panel on the top, tap on the power button icon, tap on the power button icon, tap on a restart or power off you want. So here we tap the restart button. Now tap again to restart your phone. So tap. Now wait until restart your S25 Ultra and you can see switch off or exit the safe mode on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. Also, we remove the safe mode icon symbol on the bottom left corner. So wait until your phone start. So safe mode is very helpful feature in your for any Samsung device. Now you can see my phone is restart and you can see remove the safe mode icon on my remove the safe mode icon from the bottom left corner also, and you can also access the third party application like Instagram, Facebook. Here we open Facebook application on my phone, so you can quickly access. It's quite easy to enter and exit safe mode on the latest Samsung S25 Ultra. That's it. If you like it, share it.